Oh, straight on the little bit of a howl then from the A320neo then, from the whiz. It touches down from Yash.
Stephen Boyd, hello.
Afternoon, Stephen. Afternoon, everyone. There we go, and here's the easyJet now. Makes way at the end of 27. So this one's off to Fuerteventura. The whiz has just come in from Yash. A320neo. Registration 9, Hotel Whiskey Bravo Alpha. Flight number W43697. I say this easyJet's off to Bodrum now. I see the max coming into shot. That's off to, let's say Tenerife. Oh, the easyJet's got, let's go into bloody flight radar. And the Ryanair is off to Tenerife behind it, sorry, the Max 8200. There we go. Oh, nice hold and throttle.
Tailboy 57, hello.
How you doing, mate? A little prop off to our right. Looks like we're going to want the flying school going out very, very shortly. But yeah, thanks to Flight Deck for the wave as well. Got a nice wave off the captain off this one. I say we have got a little piper there waiting to go out. Just doing the last few checks. Oh, way up. Nearly missed this one.
This is the easyJet for Fuerteventura.
It is. Caught me out, that one. Nearly missed it. Caught it in time though. There you go. So the easyJet from Fuerteventura. Airbus A320 214, registration Golf Echo Zulu Oscar Papa, flight number EZY16YQ. I say, nice little 4-hour flight there from, 3.5, just on a 4-hour flight there from Fuerteventura. Must have had a bit of a tailwind. Malta Air Max is pinged up now, Vic.
Cool.
Let's go into Dublin, I think. Well, yeah, welcome to Wacky Wednesday, everyone. So the Malta Air to Dublin is pinged and pushed, and the A319, aka Baby Tange, is up as pinged and pushed as well. So they're our next two departures after the Ryanair.
Cool.
And just a quick one, guys. If you are a member, check out the new emoji. We have dropped the new emoji.
We have indeed.
One you've asked for.
Yep, Liam's buddy, that's the new emoji.
That's the new emoji. The Jet 2 tail fin. I know you all want the Jet 2 tail fin. So we've got two to choose from, and obviously I had to choose the best one first. So it had to be .com first.
Yeah, Lady Crew, we had a fantastic spot for the air show.
Yeah, we made it work in the end, like, didn't we? But yeah, unfortunately we couldn't go the spot we went to last year, could we? Because due to the airport hiring all the fences for security reasons, we couldn't stream from the neighbour's garden again, could we?
No.
So we ended up we had to get creative, didn't we?